Hi everyone, in this video we see current
Very
affairs
first
as
news
on
we see is
16th
PM Modi
17th November
inaugurates Purvanchal
2021 from
Expressway
Kanya
from
Education. Sultanpur district, Uttar Pradesh. This is an important point to be noted. This expressway links the state capital from Lucknow with Ghazipur and has been constructed an estimate cost of rupees 22,500 crore, and this is set to the boost of economic development of the eastern part of the UP, that is Uttar Pradesh, especially in the district are called Lucknow. And next is Balabanki, and another one is Amriti, and another one is Ayodhya, and next is Sultanpur. Sultanpur is where inaugurated, that is launched. Okay, Sultanpur, Ambedkar Nagar, Ambedkar Nagar, Azamkar, Mua, and Ghazipur. So these are the places where the expressway travels. So there are totally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So totally it covers, Purvanchal Expressway covers 9 places. Totally it covers 9 places. Starts from Lucknow till Ghazipur. So this starts from the village called Chautsara, and hence the village called Haidaria village. It starts from the village called Chautsara. Chautsara, SHCHA, Chautsara and Haidaria. So, the Purvanchal Expressway covers a long strip to enable landing and takeoff from the Indian Air Force fighter planes in case of emergency in the 3.2 kilometers. Next news we see is National Press Day is celebrated on November 16th of every year. On this day, Press Council of India started functioning as a moral watchdog to ensure that the press maintains high standards and is not constrained by any influence or threats. On 4th July 1966, on 4th July 1966, on 4th July 1966, we celebrated the first press council was established in India and came to effect on 16th November 1966, and this came to established on July 4th July, and it came to an effect on 16th November. So we celebrate 16th November as National Press Day. This day is formed in 1966 and is under the Press Council Act 1978. This National Press Day comes under Press Council Act Press Council Act 1978 to ensure that Indian press is not affected by any external matter. So this International Press Headquarters located in International Press Council of India's headquarters located in New Delhi. So point to be remembered in this point of news is National Press Day was celebrated on 16th November of every year. It was established on 4th July 1966 and it came to force on 16th November. So we celebrate on 16th November. This press day is under a Press Council Act 1978 and Press Council headquarters located in New Delhi. News we see is World COP Day. World COP Day observed on third Wednesday of every year in November. Third Wednesday of every year. Third Wednesday of November every year. Third Wednesday of November is COP Day. COPD Day. And COPD awareness about the chronic obstructive Pulmonary disease. COPD stands for chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. That is COPD. And this chronic means lung diseases blocks airflow and make difficult to breathe. The theme of the year is healthy lungs never more important. The theme of 2021 is healthy lungs never more important. So it is organized by Global Initiative for Chronic Obstructive Lung Diseases called GOLD. First World COPD held on 2002 BC. First COPD Day on 2002, celebrated on 2002. So points to be remembered is World COPD Day was celebrated on third Wednesday of November every year to raise an awareness of chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, that is COPD stands for this, and improve the COPD throughout the world. Theme of the 2021 is healthy lungs never more important. And the next news we see is teenage Indian brothers win such a Children's Peace Prize Award. Two Delhi-based teenagers, brothers Vihan and Nav Agarwal, has won the 17th annual Kids Right International Children's Peace Prize for tackling pollution in the home city by recycling household wastes. Vihan and Nav Agarwal won the 17th annual Kids Right International Children's Peace tackling pollution in their home city of recycling household waste. They received Nobel Peace Prize laureate Kailash Satyarthi. Kailash Satyarthi is a Nobel Prize laureate. They developed an one-step cleaner for recreating rubbing from thousands of homes and schools and offices. And this award means Children's Peace Award by International Children's Rights Organization based in Amsterdam and Netherlands. This the points to be remembered is this award is from Amsterdam, the Netherlands. And this award is only for the children, those who are creating a very big thing which general children cannot do. And these two guys have created a very big project with recycling household waste with different thousands of homes and schools and offices. So they have won the prize from Children's Peace Prize. The important clips of today's news is VVS Lakshman will take charge for Indian national cricket NCA ahead. International Day for Tolerance on 17th November 2021. National Epilepsy Day observed in 2021 on 17th November. Epilepsy means now. Epilepsy is nothing about fits. So National Fits Day is also on 17th November. It just creates an awareness about the epilepsy, that is about fits. International Day for Tolerance. We all know what is tolerate. So tolerate, we celebrate a Tolerate Day on 17th November 2021. And first news is BCCI President Sourav Ganguly has confirmed the former Indian batter VVS Lakshman will be the next header to the National Cricket Academy, that is NCA. So finally, I conclude today's news. So guys, I have started an Instagram page called Nanmaya. Please do follow us on Instagram for more interesting facts.